push the yellow lever to lower the ramp. Turn red light switch on to release front restraint. Pull out restraint belts to the wheelchair. Hook to the wheelchair at the bottom of the ramp. Enter the vehicle with the wheelchair. Turn off the red switch and pull back slightly to restrain. To release the restraints, turn the red button back on, move the wheelchair slightly forward, and then reverse out of the vehicle. Do not let go of the restraints at any time. Be sure to hook them safely back in their position. Turn off the red switch, line up and slide onto the hook. Push the red button and release the belt. Use the black hook to hook onto the wheelchair. Turn to tighten. To release, press the red button and roll the belt in. Lift and remove. Replace the ramp and close the vehicle.